everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's about that time, my favorite holiday of the year, Christmas, the celebration of the birth of Christ. So let's get into this video. Project number one. Okay, now I'm going in with one of those wicker wreaths from the Dollar Tree, and I painted that silver. I spray painted it. And then I'm going in with these silver beads that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just wrapping those around, halfway around the wreath actually. Okay, now that those beads are wrapped up halfway around the wreath, I'm going in with these little ornaments that I got from Walmart, I believe. And so I'm taking those, and I'm just taking the stem of that off, and I'm hot gluing that onto the wreath. Some of those Christmas balls, I will take the whole stem of the ball off. And I'm going to take all of those Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to put them on half of the wreath. I'm not going to put them on the whole, but I'm going to make it nice and full. Taking this bundle of ribbon that I got from Walmart, I'm going to cut them up, and I'm just going to make a, I guess you can call it a messy bow, and I'm going to attach that to the wreath. And there's no neat way to do this, just cut as many ribbon as you want up, and just, you'll see how I do it. Okay, now that I've put the ribbon in the order that I would like them in, I'm just going to use a little jute, and I'm going to tie those up in tie it in a little knot, and then I'm just going to add it to the wreath. Now that I've got that jute rope all around, I'm just taking the ribbon and trying to spread it out and put it in, make it a little bit more neat for a messy bow, I guess. So, yeah. And as usual, I'm taking my brush and getting all of those glue webs off of the project. Now, project number 2. Okay, with this project, I've already painted it white and added the glitter that I just shown here. And I picked this little box up at Michael's. And the glitter I got from A.C. Moore a while ago. A.C. Moore in our area is closed down right now. So I'm just also showing you all of the items that I will be using for this project. So let's get on with it. Okay, with this wood cutout that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I'm just going in right now with a gold magic marker. It's just a regular gold permanent magic marker. And on this item, I'm just going to paint it red, green, and gold. And I love painting. It really relaxes me. And so I really enjoy this part of the project. Now going in with these detail brushes that I picked up from Amazon. I will try to link them below. These are really good brushes and I really enjoyed using them. And the color I'm going in now is Fern, and that is the green color that I will be using. And that color is from Waverly Chalk Paint. Yes. Now I'm going in with the red color from Waverly, and I'm not sure, I don't remember what that color is right now, but I will try and link it down below. I forgot the color, but anyway, like I said, I'm just going in with this red color, and I'm doing 2 coats each time I'm going over. I'm letting them dry and I'm going over with another coat. Okay, now I'm going in with a metallic gold, and I believe this is from Folk Art, and I'm going back over the gold that I used with the magic marker because it wasn't bright enough for me. So I'm just going back over with this bright metallic gold, and I'm also I'm also painting the Mary word in that gold as well. Okay, now that it is all painted, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now I'm taking this white chalk paint from Waverly, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these two little square beads that I got off of an item from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't think of it. Like I said, off an item from Dollar Tree, and I believe I'm taking two of those beads. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm trying to basically see where I want to place it, and I'm going to apply those white beads that I just painted onto the bottom, and then I'm going to hot glue the wood piece onto that square bead, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. But before I finish placing that wood item onto the bead, I'm just going to take a little bit of matte Mod Podge, and I'm just going to seal that. And then I'm going to add these little rhinestones that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They're in pretty Christmas colors, which are red, green, and gold as well. Okay, now I'm taking this rhinestone tool that I also picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to be using that tool to apply my rhinestones onto my project. And I'm just using this adhesive that I also picked up from Amazon, and it's a pretty good adhesive, so I'm going to use that to apply the rhinestones. Okay, now I'm gonna take a lot of these gold rhinestones, and I'm just gonna place them all over the top of the star. Okay, taking these little snowflakes that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I'm just going to take them and just randomly place them around the project. Okay, now taking this cute tiny little wreath, I'm going to glue that up at the top of the project. And I wasn't thinking I should have placed a little rhinestone in the middle of that. Well, that would have been a cute little accent. Okay, as you can see, I took on the back of the project, I took the rope and the hanging appliance off. And now I'm taking one of these, you can't call it jingle, but it's one of those building blocks. I picked these up, the large ones up at $5 and below. And if you find them, they're for $5. They're really good quality wood, and I picked them up and a nice big pack, and I just picked them up and craft with them. So I'm just going to glue that on the back of the project for it to help the project stand up and be more stable. Okay, now this is the final project. I loved how it turned out. It was so relaxing, so fun, and so cute and easy. And of course, I had to add a little bit more bling to the project. That's who I am. I love the shiny stuff. It makes me happy. Okay, YouTube, these are the final projects, and I enjoyed making these projects. They were so fun. This is my most favorite part of the year, Christmas, and I love doing Christmas crafts. But like I always say, stay safe, keep your loved ones close, and remember that you can do all things through Christ Jesus, which strengthens you. I thank you so much for watching my video. I ask that you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget that you are enough. You are enough. And once again, you can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you. With that being said, YouTube, God bless.